Hello students, today we are creating forms in HTML form. Okay, sometime we are fill online form. We saw there how to fill the form you saw it. Now today we just create that type of form by ourselves in HTML. So look at this example. Okay, this is examples of HTML form. Okay, here some messages are shown to the users, and this is the box where we insert the messages, and this is a submit button where users can click it and their information already uploaded to the server. For that purpose we are using that form elements. Okay, so form we are giving this form tag. Using the form tag, it's a opening form tag and it is closing form tag. It's a container tag. Okay, and different input it's inside it, like that text field, checkbox, radio button, submit button, etc. So these types the types and their descriptions. First one is a input type text. It is a single line and take the input from the users. Then radio, it is actually it shows the button like round shape. Okay, and you can choose one or more options. So if you want to create these types of button in your web pages, so we are using input type radio. If you want to create the button like in a square shape, so for that we are using input type checkbox. And at last, if you want our form will be completed and I want to submit, so we create a submit button. For that we are using input type submit. And a button is also use a checkable button if you want to create it in your web pages. Okay, so now text field. Text field, there are different types of text fields are available in a first is a for showing the message to the user. For that purpose we are using label. Okay, and if you want to take the input from the users, you just take input. Okay, on there we are using input type text. Okay, so look at this example form, then creating a label, and then input type text, then again label, and then input type text, and close the form. So look at this output, it show like it. First is a label that show to the users first name, and it is a text box. Okay, so input type text, and it is also label, and it is a text box. So maximum 20 characters can be taken by the this input box. Now label actually it is a define many elements, a message. Okay, and then after radio button this one. Okay, so how we will create the radio button? Using the input type radio, define the radio button. A radio button lets user select one of the limited number of choice. Okay, so input type radio, label, then input type, then label, then input type, like that we are using on here. Look these examples: input type radio, ID male, name gender, value male. Okay, this is a for creating that types of label. Look at this is create the things like that. Okay, on here first label for female. Okay, on here we just show label for female. So it create a label, okay, for females, and their ID we just give that ID, and then after we just take one input type radio, ID other, and female gender. Okay, like that we are creating a radio button in our form. Then checkbox, if you want to create it checkbox, so you just take it input type checkbox, ID vertical, vehicles, name vehicles, value bike, then label I have a bike, and then again like that, you so many options are available, you choose according to your program. Okay, we are just mention it, id, name and values, it's are optional according to our program, we just change it. Okay, but it is necessary because we are creating the checkbox. So input type checkbox, and after that if you want to create that, look it is a checkbox on here, it take the value from this one. Okay, and then this is a label, we just create a label for it. Okay, now submit button. Submit button is actually submit the data. Okay, for for handler are typical file on the server's script processing input data. The form handler is specify the form actions attributes. Okay, so form action, and then your form will be active. So you create that form like it. First is a form action active.php, so your file will be created as a active action button. Okay, and then label, and we just create input box, label, input, and input submit button. Okay, so like that we just create our form in a web pages with the help of HTML. So thank you, and do the practice related to it. And one more thing, you just try to make that form on there having use some options. Okay, so thank you.